Hello, guys. So, I'm doing this thingy, right? I don't know if y'all seen it on TikTok. You put the hands down, you pull it all the way up. Right? We know it's all the way up here. Easy, right? Easy. Now, try it, baby girl.
You're putting me on a spot of like. Can I do two hands?
No, it's one hand. I did it with one hand.
I gotta, and the power of women invested in me.
All right, try with two hands.
Two hands.
Oh my God. Ready? Ready?
It's because you put it all the way off. Okay. Now put it back up.
Get these gains.
I'm gonna do it again.
Again?
Yeah. No. Why is it so? You did something to it.
Ready? I cannot do nothing.
Okay, I think I got it this time. I think I saw how you did it, and maybe I need my other hand, but I'm not sitting on that side. So
Oh, is that the case? All right, we're gonna switch real quick. Okay, now that we switch sides, try it again. Oh, what is it? Okay. Because she was complaining it's the hand or the arm.
It's that position.
The position. I'm sorry. Go.
Okay, first of all, to be fair, I've never done this in my life.
Was that SpongeBob meme? 3 hours later.
3 hours later.
Like, oh, sweetie, baby girl, like, let me show off.
Let me show off. Oh, so you think I'm showing off?
Yeah.
All right. So when we make a YouTube famous and there's a lot of girls in my DMs and shit, then you let me know. Oh, now you want to be all serious and shit, right?
I can't do it with two fingers anymore.
We're gonna go into this barbecue place she's taking me to.
I'm taking him, and then yeah.
Original spot was to the gym, but one of her friends wasn't feeling very well, so it's more like of a 3-person thing that we go to the gym.
We are 3 musketeers in the gym.
The 3 musketeers. So
it just felt different when we weren't with her on Friday.
Definitely. So you know what? It's only right if we just do it as a trio. So my respects and my condolences. So yeah, now we're gonna eat, gain weight, eat tomorrow, gain more weight, and try to burn it all off in like 2 hours.
We have like 13 weeks to go. We're gonna go to Punta Cana, and I'm trying to get pretty for it.
We're going to Punta Cana. She's saying she's not pretty, but look, she's beautiful. Come on. But yeah, we're trying to, get slim. I'm trying to look good for the women out there in DR, because I know I'm gonna come back with none of them. So like,
it was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh, he needs some milk.
Anyways, I'm just trying to be ticklish.
I'm kidding, but see you guys in a few.
So we're here at the restaurant that I wanted to take him to. What do you think of it so far? He's wearing sweats and he's like, yo, damn, I'm so underdressed. I wish I grabbed some fancier clothing.
It literally looks like I came from the sewers. I have sweats, socks. I have workout clothes, so she's all dressed up. And I'm here
I'm in my work clothing and he says I'm dressed up.
She looks properly dressed. That's the thing.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna check out the menu for a bit and then we're gonna update you guys on his final thoughts. So the lady helping us today just went over the menu and his face just said it all. He was like, excuse me, just looking at the prices for him was like,
this is too bougie for me.
It's not. Honestly, it's really nice. If you've ever been here, it's here in White Plains. It's my second time coming. It's really nice. I like it. But yeah, so we're going to record a little bit, record how we cook the food, and so I hope you guys enjoy it. Right, Vic?
100%.
We'll tell you guys. Well, he's gonna tell you what
I'm
he
gonna
thinks
tell you
about
from 1 to 10 if I like it or not,
it. If it's worth it or not for him.
worth it or not. But by seeing her reaction that she's excited, you know,
It's really good. It's a good
she
spot.
took
I
me to
like it.
hibachi last time. I never been to hibachi.
We went to the one in Palisades.
I went to one hibachi. It was in Cross County. I didn't like sushi, so like it wasn't a bad experience, but I didn't like it. So she took me to a new hibachi, and I was impressed. I'm not gonna lie. So maybe, hopefully, this is a 2 for 2. But
Hopefully I can win his heart with this one. Anyways, well, we'll keep you guys updated, but this is another update.
do you have lemonade?
Lemonade, yes, please.
Not lemonade, please.
I'll flip it over. I don't want that. Get me this one. Blue Lagoon. Yes. I'm going to drink. Sorry. She just took her order, and I got myself a Blue Lagoon, and you got yourself a what? A lemonade.
A lemonade. I love lemonade. Love lemonade.
I don't know why he said it like that. Yo, yesterday's lemonade from Wendy's was so good. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. We ordered Wendy's yesterday, and that lemonade, strawberry lemonade, was busted. That hit different.
But tell me how. So we didn't eat because we were doing something. And the strawberry lemonade, like all the sugar was in the bottom. So before she took a sip, I told her,
Oh my god, are you serious?
just shake it. Because, all the sweetness is in the bottom. She went, no, it's okay.
I had to drink a little bit from the top because I couldn't shake it like that. I was gonna spill.
You grab it from the lid and you just stir it like this.
There was not enough space. Anyways, then I drank a little bit and then I stirred it. And then I was like, ooh. But it tastes really good. I love it. He's so judgy. Oh my god, I drink things a certain way.
Let me not expose you with the method yet.
That's a story for another time. He's trying his miso soup. This is
So far, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10.
He says it's a 7 out of 10. So far.
No. This miso soup.
Oh, 7 out of 10?
Yeah. The place right now is 8 out of 10.
So what about the miso soup in Palisades?
Oh, that's a 9 out of 10.
Yeah, it was so good. Oh my god, but anyways, this is so good. It's so good right now because it's so cold. This is nice and warm. I love it. This is my favorite thing. You guys probably can't hear us because there's so much like background noise, but hopefully we get like better the quality later. I'm really bad at editing. This is what Jared's gonna do for us, right? No, I'm kidding. No, I'm doing my editing. I can't have him look at me like, yo, what's wrong with her? Thank you. Thank you. You gotta fix my hair.
It's fucking raw.
This looks so pretty. It's so nice. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, pass that to me.
Thank you.
What? Blue Lagoon.
Wait.
I could. Look at this. This is the Blue Lagoon, and this is, of course, my Blue Lagoon. This looks so nice. And I got lemonade. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna start recording and then show you guys what we have so far.
So, we got majority of the meat. I'm starting off with rice because I love rice. And look, she's finally cooking for me.
for him, and we're just gonna get his reaction. Babe, can you try some of your meats, please?
This is cecina.
Yeah, you wish. That one's good? Okay. Those are kind of the same meats. That one was a different meat. Yeah. How do you like it so far?
9 out of 10.
Huh?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? Nice. So far we're winning your heart. This is so pretty. It's hot. I told you it was hot. You didn't believe me.
Okay.
It was good? Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my god, I am so full right now. I feel like I ate so much. I've never eaten so much meat in my life. I mean, that's a lie. I do eat a lot of meat, but like it's really rare when I eat like different types of meat in one sitting. But this was so good. I really, really liked it. I keep looking over here when I'm supposed to look at the camera. But anyways, oh my god, it was so good. Oh, we're still eating, but oh my god, let me show you. We have finished almost all the meats that we had on the table. So far, how do you like it?
I'm so full.
He says that he's full. Oh my god, guys.
It's good. Really good.
From a scale of 1 to 10, how do you like the place?
1 to 10.
9.5? Okay. So far, I didn't really like this meat because I felt it was like too sweet for my liking, but I really like this. Oh my god. We ate all that food. How was it, babe?
9.5 out of 10. Oh my god, no food!
Oh my god, we just got s'mores. He's so full right now. I am full too, but it's gonna... Damn. Oh my gosh. We're still talking about that one time when we went to Hibachi in Palisades Mall and how like the guy was like saggy and it was like the funniest thing ever. I have the video and I will show it to you guys later. But oh my god, it was so fun.
It's a campfire song.
No, it was Look how nice it is. It's so cute. Oh, fuck! That is so good. Cheers.
What do you mean cheers? You already took a